All right, so I am here with Chris and James, father-son team, and tell us a little bit about your business.
We are online auctioneers for end-of-range clearance stock, so discontinued and upgraded stock, and we sell. We're online auctioneers for that type of stock.
Okay, excellent. And who is your coach?
Our coach is Martin Purvis.
Okay, excellent. So, tell me a little bit about your just kind of general experience over the week. Any kind of major mind shift changes or anything? Just really big takeaways from the last week.
Well, it's as a lot of people have said, it's a year's worth of coaching into a very short 5 days worth. So, and it opens your mind a bit to what is possible, rather than what you think you can do. Really, it shows you what the business is possible doing.
Excellent. So if you guys were in conversations with fellow business owners or anything like that, and if they were considering something like this, what kind of advice would you have to offer to them?
I think it depends where you want to go, really. If you want to achieve the top, you've got to invest in the top.
Right.
So that's what we've done. So I would advise anybody else who's aiming to get to the top to invest now, and the best time to do anything is now.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. James, did you have anything to add?
I mean, it's just whether you're ready for the leap, really. If you think you're ready to make the move to the $100 million business that you think it could be, then yeah, definitely go for it.
Fantastic. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much for taking a moment to join me.